How to turn on or turn off color correction on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. And from here, tap on vision enhancements. Then scroll down and tap on color correction. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Here we got color correction turns on. This is what it looks like when we switch it on. And the color, this is what it looks like when we switch it off. When we turn it on, if you scroll down here, there are different options that you can choose. So this is Deuteron, green to red. We can choose Proton, red to green, Triton, and then grayscale. Okay, so those are the different options that you can select. Otherwise, we can switch it off. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.